DIY home improvement hacks. Simple home repair hacks. Home repairs don't always require calling in professionals or spending large amounts of money. Many common household issues can be solved with simple DIY solutions that anyone can try. For instance, dealing with holes in walls is quite straightforward. A small hole can be patched with store-bought wall filler or even a homemade mix of baking soda and toothpaste for temporary fixes. After filling, let it dry, sand the surface, and paint over it to make your wall look new again. Clogged drains are another common nuisance. A chemical-free way to handle this is by pouring baking soda down the drain, followed by vinegar. This combination fizzes and helps dissolve gunk inside the pipes. After letting it sit for a few minutes, rinse with hot water. This is a safe and natural method that also helps prevent future blockages. Loose cabinet doors, squeaky hinges, and wobbly chairs are often ignored but are easy to fix. Tighten screws, use wood glue on loose joints, and apply petroleum jelly or machine oil to squeaky parts. These small tasks not only improve your living experience but also prolong the life of your furniture and fixtures. One area often overlooked is lighting. Proper lighting can dramatically alter the mood and perceived size of any room. Replace harsh white bulbs with warm LED lights for a cozy effect. Consider adding strip lights under cabinets in the kitchen or shelves in the living room for ambient lighting. These little touches not only enhance visual appeal but also add functionality. Weatherproofing your home is another DIY project that can improve comfort and reduce bills. Use adhesive rubber seals around windows and doors to stop air leaks. Not only does this help maintain indoor temperature, but it also reduces the need for excessive heating or cooling. You can also make your walls more functional by installing pegboards in garages or craft rooms. They allow you to organize tools or supplies vertically, keeping everything accessible and visible. It's a simple change with a big impact on workflow and cleanliness. Transforming small spaces. Living in a small space doesn't mean sacrificing comfort or style. There are several hacks to transform small areas into open and welcoming environments. One of the most effective tricks is using mirrors. Placing a large mirror across from a window reflects light and makes the room feel bigger and brighter. Mirrors add visual depth and are an affordable way to expand your space without renovations. Multifunctional furniture is a game changer. Consider investing in a sofa bed, an ottoman with storage, or a dining table that can be folded and tucked away. Furniture that serves more than one purpose saves space and adds flexibility to your home layout. Choosing light and neutral wall colors also helps in making small rooms feel more open. Maximize vertical space with wall-mounted shelves and hanging organizers to keep the floor area free. These hacks don't just save space, they make your home look modern and thoughtfully designed. Creative food hacks. Unexpected food pairings. Food creativity isn't just for professional chefs. Experimenting with unusual combinations can surprise your taste buds and add excitement to your meals. Take the example of peanut butter and soy sauce. Combined, they create a creamy, umami-rich sauce perfect for noodles or grilled chicken. Similarly, watermelon with feta cheese or chili powder offers a delightful mix of sweet, salty, and spicy flavors. Try adding sea salt to chocolate desserts. The salt brings out the richness of the chocolate, making each bite more intense. Another creative combo is strawberries with balsamic vinegar. A drizzle enhances the fruit sweetness while adding a subtle tang. These hacks are more than just culinary tricks. They encourage you to explore flavor profiles and think beyond traditional recipes. When it comes to unexpected pairings, explore global culinary traditions. In some cultures, cheese is paired with fruit preserves or spicy chutneys. Try cheddar with apple slices or mango salsa on grilled fish. These combinations delight the palate and introduce you to new food cultures. Food presentation hacks. How food looks can greatly affect how much we enjoy it. You don't need to be a chef to plate like one. For starters, use the rule of thirds. Avoid placing food in the center of the plate. Position it off to one side for a more dynamic presentation. You can also layer food in glass jars to create visually stunning parfaits, salads, or desserts. Adding fresh herbs or edible flowers as garnishes can instantly elevate a dish's appearance. Even drizzling sauces with a spoon or bottle in creative patterns adds a touch of elegance. Making meals visually appealing makes them more enjoyable and shows care in the presentation, even for everyday dishes. Unique storage solutions. Underutilized spaces. One of the best ways to increase home organization is by tapping into areas that are usually ignored. The space under your bed, for example, is perfect for storing seasonal clothing, spare linens, or even shoes. Use rolling bins or vacuum-sealed bags to make the most of that hidden space. Behind doors is another overlooked area. Install over-the-door hooks or hanging organizers for bags, accessories, or even cleaning supplies. In the kitchen, magnetic strips can hold knives and small metal containers, clearing clutter from your countertop. Unused corners can be converted into reading nooks, storage towers, or display shelves. By utilizing every inch wisely, your home remains tidy and efficient without sacrificing aesthetics. Vertical gardening solutions. Gardening isn't just for large backyards. Even small apartments can enjoy greenery through vertical gardening. Use hanging planters or wall-mounted pots to grow herbs, flowers, or small vegetables. This method not only saves space but also adds life and color to your home, making it more vibrant and eco-friendly. Wall organizers and hanging baskets can transform cluttered entryways or bathrooms. Use spice racks in the bathroom to hold perfumes, nail polish, or rolled-up face towels. Install a magnetic board in the kitchen to store spices in small jars, freeing up drawer space. For vertical gardens, consider hydroponic setups if you're feeling adventurous. They require minimal soil and are ideal for growing herbs indoors. Use old soda bottles or PVC pipes to build a DIY hydroponic wall that not only looks amazing but also keeps your kitchen stocked with fresh greens. Quirky DIY projects. Unusual repurposing projects. Give new life to old objects through creative repurposing. An old wooden ladder can become a unique bookshelf or towel rack. Wooden pallets can be turned into rustic coffee tables, bed frames, or vertical storage walls. Tires can be painted and used as garden planters or stylish ottomans. Wine corks can be assembled into coasters, trivets, or decorative boards. Even broken mugs can become planters for succulents or holders for small items. These DIYs save money and add a personal, artistic touch to your home decor. When repurposing materials, think beyond traditional usage. For example, old windows can be turned into wall-mounted photo frames. Paint them and add string lights behind for a beautiful memory wall. Upcycling doesn't just reduce waste, it brings character to your home. Each piece tells a story, and these DIYs give your space an identity that's truly your own. Art from waste. Creating art from waste not only enhances your home but also contributes to environmental sustainability. Use old magazines for collages, glass bottles for lamps or vases, and bottle caps for creative mosaics. Plastic containers can be cut and painted into wall art or used for organizing supplies. Twine, buttons, and scraps of fabric can all be transformed into beautiful, meaningful decorations. It's amazing how many everyday waste items can become part of your home's personality. Creative office hacks. Desk plant hacks. A little greenery in your workspace goes a long way in boosting mood and productivity. Choose easy to maintain plants like snake plants, succulents, or pothos. They thrive in low light and require minimal watering, making them perfect for desk settings. Use mason jars or recycled containers as pots to keep things affordable and eco-conscious. Hanging small planters above your desk or placing a few on wall-mounted shelves keeps your workspace tidy and full of life. Fun office stationery hacks. Organizing office supplies doesn't have to be boring. Decorate your workspace with washi tape or colorful paper clips. Repurpose old jars to hold pens, or use small trays to keep sticky notes and stationery organized. To stay focused, build a simple, focus board, using sticky notes on a whiteboard or corkboard. Separate the space into to do, doing, and done. It gives a visual sense of progress and keeps your tasks organized. Uncommon organization hacks. Organizing digital photos. Digital clutter is just as stressful as physical clutter. Organize your photos into folders by year, event, or theme. Rename files for easier search and consider using photo management apps that offer tagging and automatic sorting features. Back everything up to cloud storage to ensure your memories are safe. Regularly review and delete blurry or duplicate photos to keep your library streamlined. Real-life minimalism hacks. Minimalism isn't about owning nothing, it's about owning only what adds value. Start with one drawer or shelf at a time. Ask yourself, do I use this? Does it bring joy? If not, consider donating or recycling it. Implementing the one in, one out rule helps maintain balance. Every time you bring something new into your home, get rid of something else. This prevents future clutter and encourages intentional living. Decluttering your kitchen. Create a use it first bin in the fridge for items that are near expiration. This encourages smart usage and reduces food waste. Label shelves and drawers in every room so everyone in the household knows where things go. At Sam's Ideas Hub, we believe everyone has the power to transform their environment with just a little creativity. You don't need a big budget or a professional crew, just curiosity, imagination, and a willingness to try something new. Every idea shared here is more than a tip. It's a spark, a push to explore, to personalize, and to express yourself through the space you live in. Whether you're making a tiny apartment feel like a mansion, cooking a meal that surprises your taste buds, or building a vertical garden on your balcony, you're creating beauty, simplicity, and joy in your everyday life. And that's what we're all about. If this content brought you a new idea, even a small one, help us grow by subscribing to Sam's Ideas Hub. Like the video, drop a comment about the project you loved most or the hack you plan to try first. Your feedback and engagement fuel our passion to keep bringing you more. So subscribe now for weekly videos filled with smart hacks, unique ideas, and real-life solutions. Let's create together. Let's grow together. Sam's Ideas Hub. Because great ideas begin at home. These ideas are not just about making your space look better, they're about making your life simpler, more organized, and more joyful. We believe that small changes can lead to big transformations. And if you're looking for more helpful, smart, and easy ideas like these, you're in the right place. This is Sam's Ideas Hub, where we share ideas that are practical, unique, and fun. If you enjoyed this content, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and share it with your friends and family who love improving their lifestyle. Your support helps us grow and continue sharing valuable content. Comment below and tell us which life hack or DIY project you like the most, or which one you're going to try first. We read every comment and love hearing from you. Stay inspired, stay creative, and remember, sometimes, the smallest idea can have the biggest impact. Subscribe now for more informative and interesting ideas from Sam's Ideas Hub.